Well, my buddy Andre here has gotten some sort of netting or something caught in his antlers. It doesn't look like it's metal, it's some kind of netting. And I know he won't let me get close enough to get it off of there for him. I mean, it's not hurting him, but I can tell it's irritating him. He's just tossing his head around trying to toss it off, but it's wrapped around his antlers. Oh, buddy, I wish you'd let me help you. I wish you'd let me help you get that off. I'm certain you won't if I try and get too close. I mean, I'm pretty close right now. I'm probably only 6 feet away, but boogers. I'm sorry that happened to you, buddy. That stinks. And he keeps holding his ear back because it's rubbing on his ear. Dang it. I wish you'd let me help you, bud, but I'm almost certain you won't.